Thumbnails are great. You know, when you're just always keep this in mind in your career as a designer, okay? You don't have your thumbnails don't have to be, we're not looking for Rembrandt quality. The only thing that's expected of thumbnails is to give a good idea of the communicative intent, and these are perfect. These are, I mean, I couldn't ask for more as far as thumbnails go. Yeah, I can tell everything I need to tell. If these were the final setup, there's several things I would be able to tell here. So the thumbnails are successful. Now, for example, the one thing I can see in these thumbnails, look how small Val's head looks next to Jon Voight's. Okay, it's great that their eyes are at the same level in the stamps. That's fantastic. But right now, for example, De Niro's head looks bigger than Pacino's. And is it bigger? I don't know. That's irrelevant. The point is you have to try to make them, depending on the scale, you have to make them appear to be, at the exact same distance. So the heads should be relatively the exact same size. That will reinforce the consistency of the series itself. Each individual stamp, that statement is irrelevant. But when looking at 4 stamps together, it's important to note that they should be consistently cropped to appear the exact same size. Okay, these are fantastic. Now, as far as Iconic American Entertainers and the actual placement and size, we'll address that later. I'm not a fan of stacking type. I don't think it ever works. I would recommend against that. But as I said, we'll talk about typography at next week. But right now, these are fantastic, and these show intent. So these are just great. So these will be submitted Sunday with your report, right? So excellent job. Thank you very much.